Hi, this is Vineet David, Assistant Professor of SNS Institutions, BSMILE. So today we are going to look into the topic called resource management. So yes, what is this resource management? So effective resource management is a foundation of successful project delivery. So yes, resource management is like more important. So who should be working on this project? Everything plans this resource management. So resource management is a series of process and the technique used to ensure you have all the necessary resources to complete a project or meet business objectives. So it also focuses on making the most effective use of those resources by eliminating waste for more profits and high returns on investments. So yes, assess needs. So carefully analyze the project requirements to determine the necessary resources, skills, and expertise. So yes, we should identify what is the need for the project. So how many people are required to work on a project, and what are all the skills that should be required on the project, and who or all should be the expertise. If a person who is well versed with the finance and he is known as the expertise of finance, so that sort of people should be needed to complete a project. So allocate strategically. So distribute resources effectively based on project priorities, timeline, and budget constraints. So yes, what is this project priorities, timeline, and budget constraints? Everything should be allocated very clearly. So the project priorities, so as we seen in the videos, so it is important but not urgent. It is urgent but it is important. It is not urgent but important. These are all the statements which is given. So we should work accordingly to the priority of the work should be done. So if a task is more prioritized, and it should be completed on the first. If the work is not that much prioritized but urgent, but it can be worked in the meanwhiles. So yes, the timeline should be phrased for the project that should be completed. If a task is assigned, the task should be completed within 2 days, then it should be completed in 2 days. So the backlogs will not be formed. And the budget constraints. So the resources which we are going to use in this project should be in a proper way. And the budget should be allocated in a proper way. Optimize utilization. So continuously monitoring and adjust resource allocations to maximize the productivity and minimize the waste. So yes, team building and development. Assemble the right talents. So yes, on the process of hiring, we should identify the exact person who can manage this process to settle down with the project. If a person is not that much capable to run this project, then there is no point of people to put into that project. So we need to find the perfect talent to complete this project. So foster collaboration. So increase the team members to work together, share knowledge, and support one another. So we should treat every people equally so that the team members have their own comfortness into the team, and the communication between the team should be in a straight way, so that no conflicts can be created in between themselves. So the rapport will lead the project into good results. So invest in development of team members to build their competitive and increase engagement. So yes, the continuous development of the employees is also important. So we should train the employees accordingly. If a project has like little bit of turns, then we should train the employees accordingly to work on the project. So if the employees are not aware of it, then the project will result in failures. So we should train them in the process to work on it. So recognize and reward. So it is all the motivational processes where the employees, when they are rewarded or like they have given some recognitions, then they would work even more higher. If they are like motivated with the rewards or like vouchers or like some of incentives, then the people will get more involved in that work so that they can complete the work with the perfection, so they get rewards. So their work has been appreciated. We should acknowledge peoples who are working good, and we should train the peoples who are like working more lesser. So this is how we should build the process. So yes, that is all for the video. Thank you so much.